Oh my God! Someone's trying to steal my car! What the hell's going on here? Who the hell's in the car? The car's on! Oh my God! Who the hell? Oh my God, it's you! What the hell are you doing? Senator Frog, are you trying to steal my car? You already have a car. You can't even drive, can you? Where the hell are your arms? How are you gonna shift this car? Tell me, what's your answer? What? God, I can't understand the word. You never can. Can't you speak English? What planet are you from? Senator Frog, the question is, I hear some music here. Senator Frog, what I want to know is, are you a deadhead? What the hell is this? This Shakedown Street, right? It is, isn't it? Say something. Why are you trying to steal my car? I worked very hard to get this car, and you want to steal it from me. And look at you, sitting here. You can't even reach the pedals. How the hell you think? What the hell do you think you're doing? It's impossible. So listen, I'm gonna give you a pass right now, Senator Frog. Okay. This car is way beyond your understanding. Okay. You need to be driven around, okay? Just go back to your Palm Beach lifestyle and don't screw around with me anymore. You're out of here. Goodbye, Senator Frog. No Porsche for you. Ciao.